In this video, you will learn how to order a new card through HSBC. Log into your HSBC online banking. Access your HSBC account by logging in through their online banking website or the mobile app. Go to the cards section. Navigate to the section where your cards are listed, often called cards or manage cards. Select the card you want to replace or renew. Choose the card that you want to order a new version of, whether it's a replacement or a renewal. Choose the option to order a new card. Look for the button like Order a new card, Replace card or Request new card. Fill out any required details. Provide any necessary information, such as a reason for your replacement or delivery address confirmation. Confirm the request. Review the details and submit your request to order the new card. Wait for confirmation and delivery. HSBC will usually send a confirmation and deliver your new card within a few business days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.